After shaving your private parts, if you have experienced etching or itching, here are a few steps you can take to relieve the discomfort. Rinse the area. Gently rinse the shaved area with lukewarm water to remove any remaining shaving cream, hair, or debris. Avoid using hot water as it can further irritate the skin. Pat dry. Gently pat the area dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing the skin, as it can cause further irritation. Soothe with a cold compress. If you're experiencing itching or irritation, applying a cold compress can help soothe the skin. You can use a clean washcloth soaked in cold water or a store-bought cold pack wrapped in a cloth. Apply it to the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes at a time. Use a mild moisturizer. Apply a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer or aloe vera gel to the area to help soothe the skin and reduce itching. Avoid products with added fragrances or harsh chemicals, as they can further irritate the skin. Avoid tight clothing. Opt for loose-fitting, breathable underwear or clothing to prevent friction and allow the skin to breathe. Tight clothing can exacerbate irritation and itching. Avoid scratching. It may be tempting to scratch the itchy area, but doing so can make the irritation worse and potentially lead to infection. Try to resist the urge to scratch, or consider using your fingertips to gently apply pressure instead. Take an antihistamine. If the itching persists and becomes unbearable, you can consider taking an over-the-counter antihistamine. However, it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or pharmacist before taking any medication. Give it time. In most cases, the itching and irritation will subside within a few days as the skin heals. It's important to avoid shaving the area again until it has fully recovered to prevent further irritation. If the itching, redness, or irritation persists or worsens, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional or dermatologist for further evaluation and guidance.